Hi people, this is Nettie again. Okay, it's been a cold day. I didn't want to get up, but I had to. I needed to plant this. I've been saying I'm going to plant it, and I wasn't planting it. One thing I felt bad is that I saw like a little plant there, a baby plant. I thought it was a pepper. So I decided to take it out to replant it. And it was another one of these, one of the plantains. That got me so frustrated. But I don't know. I put it in water. Maybe it'll grow some roots. I don't know. It might die, but maybe it'll grow some roots. You could be surprised when you do experiments with plants. You get a lot of stuff. So anyway, as you can see, it looks pretty good. And since there's not much sun lately, because we're in the winter time, so it's always raining. It's always darkish, It gets dark very early. So I put the LED lights, and that's how they are maintaining. As you can see here, I want to show you. Wait, where is it? Okay, this one is good. This one is growing, and already has the little nipple thing that goes up. But this one is not working. I checked it because I wanted to see, because I noticed that it looks way different from the other one. And it is dying. So I took it to see. I pull it out a little bit without forcing it. It don't have no roots. Never grew the roots. This one has the roots. And I could tell because they're starting to get they're getting the tips yellow. Not yellow, green. And they're pulling out. So I planted this one. Let me see if I could show you the other one that I planted. Hold on. I don't want to make a mistake. Okay. This is my other one. This is my other one. It needed already to be changed. It was root bound. That's why you could see the leaves right here. See how bad they look? So now I just got to put some water. I planted it with a bag under. Why bag? Because I cannot be cleaning and doing, my condition, so much things, So what I do is I put there, the water will fall in there, it will stay in there, and it will water it right back up again. And I don't have to wash it, do so many things with it, Also, I want to show you my tomato. It has a few tomatoes already, and I don't know if you can see from here. It has lots of flowers. Winter time, but wait a minute, what can I see? Okay, lots of flowers. Right there. It has in the tip up there. Right there. You can see them. It has around 3. So far I've seen 3 tomatoes. One is pretty big. Oh, there goes one of the, let me see. Right there. Wait, right there. It's small, but the biggest one is on the other side. And it has plenty of flowers. So that means that it's not planning to die yet. So, saying this, God bless you. And I see you next time. And excuse my throat. Every time that the weather gets bad, my throat gets bad. I don't know why. So God bless you all. Till next time. Bye-bye.